back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today we have another guest star, my cousin Charlie. Today we will both be reading Olivia the Spy. This book is written by Ian Falconer.
One afternoon, Olivia was walking down the hall when she heard her mother talking to her aunt. "I'm at the end of my tether. I just finished cleaning the kitchen when Olivia decided to make a smoothie, a blueberry smoothie." Olivia, hearing her name, paused to listen.
I told her, don't fill it up to the top. Don't put all the blueberries in and not too much milk, or then it will splatter. Mommy, I know how to use the blender.
Guess who had to clean that up? Then her mother continued. There was the episode with the laundry.
I asked her to put her father's white shirts in the washer. "Olivia," I said, "put them in one at a time or else they'll tangle. And only 1 capful of soap." "Mother, I know how to work the washing machine."
"Olivia, you put your red socks in with the white shirts, and now the white shirts are pink. I think they look pretty." "Well, then you wear them."
Which she did.
"Oh, I wish there was somewhere I could send her until she developed some sense."
Some sense?
Olivia. "I'm the only one in this house with any sense. What else is she saying about me? Maybe I should investigate."
I love Olivia in that pirate outfit, don't you think?
Yeah.
She did decide to investigate, but she had to be sneaky.
Olivia, who had always stood out, now she needed to blend in.
She might be anywhere. Anywhere.
Seriously, anywhere. Note, no mice, zebras, or lambs were harmed during the making of this book.
Honestly, she's exhausting. Yesterday, I had to ask her 5 times to clean up her room. If only there was some place where they could teach her to listen, like military school.
Olivia's mother had been planning to take Olivia to the ballet as a surprise, but now she was having second thoughts. "Do you think if I take her to the ballet that she can sit through it without wiggling and squirming?"
Olivia sneaked around the corner, just in time to hear her father say, "Oh, that's the perfect place to take her. After all, it's an institution."
The next day, Olivia asked her teacher, "What's an institution?" "That's a good question, Olivia. An institution can be many things. It can be building like a library, or a tradition like marriage, or it could be the military or prison."
in.
The next morning, Olivia's mother told her to be ready and dressed by 6 o'clock that evening. I'm going to take you somewhere special. Where are you taking me? Olivia asked in a very small voice. It's a surprise. Okay, Mommy, I'll be ready. All that sad day, Olivia tried to figure out what she needed for an institution.
She packed up a few pitiful possessions, put on her best dress, and went downstairs. Oh, you can't take your things where you're going.
You're awfully quiet tonight, Olivia. Olivia didn't answer. She was saying goodbye to the city she loved so well.
When they got out of the taxi, Olivia cried out, "The ballet? You're taking me to the ballet?" "Yes, darling. That's the surprise."
I thought you were taking me to an institution. An institution? Olivia, have you been eavesdropping? What does eavesdropping mean? Asked Olivia. It means listening to other people's conversations, sweetheart. Mommy, I would never do that. I was spying.
Before they took their seats, her mother asked her if she needed to use the you-know-what. "No," said Olivia. "I'm fine."
Of course, 10 minutes into the first act, Olivia needed to use you-know-what badly.
"Excuse me, my little one needs to use the you-know-what." "Of course, it's the door on the left." "Do you need me to come with you, Olivia?" her mother asked. "I know how to go to the bathroom, Mommy." "I have one just that age. They can be a handful." "They certainly can. You can't turn your back for 1 second. Not one single second. Do you see her going through the wrong door? Where is she going to end up?" "Oh, no! Oh, no!"
There you are, said Olivia's mother. You took such a long time, I was getting worried. It was a lot farther away than the lady said.
"Thank you, Mommy. That was beautiful. Darling, I'm so glad you liked it." Although, Olivia added, the girls in the Pas de Court could have worked on their entrecots.
Well, Olivia, what have you learned by eavesdropping? Partial truths and misformation. And how did that make you feel insecure and suspicious?
"I'm sorry, Mommy. I'll cook dinner all next week." "Oh, no, you won't," said her mother. "Mommy, I know how to cook."
The end, at least until tomorrow.
I really hope you guys enjoyed Olivia the Spy by Ian Falconer, and I think you did a great job, Charlie. I know I like that book. And make sure to like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, guys.